Right, this is the mask I've been working on. For the putty, I put in right in the nose. It's not that bad because I want to make sure minimum of the lines. I'm gonna sand it some more down so it can match up. But now that we have the Bondo set up everywhere, it's a little glowy, but it's fine. I'm gonna sand it so you can even out the whole edges and everything. And like I said, I even cover some of the holes that I had with the extra system. So with the extra putty I had. So this is a Bondo and it healed really good. It's hard to remove. This is what they use on their cars, so I still have some cracks here, but I'll be able to manage them. And after what I'll cover these with the wood putty after I see them. If whatever lines left over, I have to even this out. So you have a lot of sanding to do, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I just did my first coating of primer, and I can see where I have to smooth it out more. So I'm gonna work on it some more, and maybe come with a wet sandpaper tomorrow and do it. But today we're gonna try to prime it some more. So let's go ahead and start.